Good day, everyone. We are now going to learn about rationalizing substitution. So, by definition, it is defined as the integration method, which is used when the integrand is a fraction, which includes one or more than type of a root. So, sometimes in this um, technique, we are going to experience um, irrational functions inside the integrand. So, by using the use substitution, we are going to make it rational. So, one example of solving for rationalizing substitution is this one. For example, for number one, the integral of x dx over the square root of x plus 2. So by using u substitution, u is equal to the square root of x plus 2. Okay, and then you square both sides. So the square root will be eliminated. Now, what is the value of x? So here we can find the value of x as u squared minus 2 is equal to x. Then dx is 2u du. So now we can already substitute the values here. So x is the u squared minus 2. Dx is 2u du all over u. So cancel u. What's left will be 2u squared minus 4 du. So by oops. So by distributing, no? And then integrate, let's now integrate the values. So sige. Ano yun na to siya? So the integral of 2u squared du minus integral of 4 du. So for this one, you will have 2u cubed over 3 2u cubed over 3 minus 4u plus c. Now actually, this is not yet the final answer since this is in terms of u and the original function inside the integrand is in terms of x. So let's transform our answer in terms of x. Therefore, that would be 2 square root of x plus 2 all over 3 minus 4 square root of x plus 2 plus c. All right. So, oh sorry, this should be cube. Okay, we can still factor out this equation because the square root of x plus 2 is common. Therefore, let us factor out the square root of x plus 2. So all right, square root of x plus 2 times, okay, here we have the expression 2 multiplied by the square root of x plus 2 squared. Okay, because that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Tama? Kay kaniman siya, the exponent is 1, kani the exponent is 2. And then pag i-add mo sila, it's 3. Okay? All over 3 minus 4 4 only because na-factor out naman si square root of x plus 2. Do not forget plus c. Okay? And then, let's simplify because this is the square root of x plus 2 squared, that would be x plus 2 na lang. So, this would be the square root of x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 over 3 minus 4 plus c. Alright, this is square root of x plus 2, 2x plus 4 over 3 minus 4 plus c. Then the square root of x plus 2 times, okay, let's find the LCD. That LCD is 3. And this here, it's 2x plus 4 minus. So 3 divided by 1, that's 3 times 4, that is 12. So therefore, we will now have our final answer as this is 2x minus 8 all over 3 plus c. Okay. Or this is now your final answer, or we can simplify that one as square root of x plus 2 times 2 times x minus 4 all over 3 plus c. These are your final answers, okay? So it's much better if you simplify your answer. All right, let's have another example. Number 2. Let's say, for example, you have dx all over 1 plus the cube root of x plus 4. So notice that the function inside the integrand is an irrational function. Okay, so what are we going to do to make this rational function and to make it integrable, easier to be integrated? So let us make u or z or whatever variable you want as the cube root of x plus 4 and du. Sorry. Then to eliminate the cube root, we are going to cube this one. So that would be u cube equals the square, sorry, more like a square root, no? So x plus 4. So u cube equals x plus 4. Okay. Then dx would be 3u squared equals dx. Oops, we forgot du. So 3u squared du is equal to dx. All right, now let's change this one in terms of u na. So this is dx, which is 3u squared du all over 1 plus, this is u. Okay. All right, let's simplify this expression as 3, then u squared du all over 1 plus u. All right, guys, notice that this is an improper fraction. So in an improper fraction, you can divide it using two methods. It's either synthetic division or the long division method. So we can use the long division method here. That would be u squared divided by 1 plus u. So that would be u, then 1 plus u squared, subtract, this is negative 1. Okay? Sorry, this should be u rather. So this is negative u. That's u times 1, that's u. And u times u, that's u squared. That would be negative u. Then minus 1. Okay? Why 1? So that 1 times 1, that is 1. Then negative 1 plus u, or times u rather, negative 1 times u, it's negative u. So this is minus. Subtract, then we get negative u minus negative u, that's cancelled out. And then what we will have now is positive 1. Therefore, when we rewrite the equation, it would now be 3, then the integral of, sorry, that would be u minus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus u du. All right, that would now be equal to 3 integral of u minus 1 du plus 3 integral of du over 1 plus u. You will now have, this one is 3 integral of u du minus du plus this one would be 3 ln of 1 plus u plus c. So let's integrate this one first. 3 times u squared over 2 minus u plus 3 ln of 1 plus u plus c. Okay, so therefore, this is not yet our final answer. We are now going to transform it back to x. Our u earlier was the cube root of x plus 4. So our u squared would be, so since our u again is the cube root of x plus 4, so ang square that daw is the square root of, sorry, that would be x plus 4 2/3. Okay, or we can simply write it as 3 times cube root of x plus 4 then squared, no, all over 2 minus the cube root of x plus 4 plus 3 ln of 1 plus the cube root of x plus 4 plus c. Okay, I think we can have this one as our final answer. Oops, alright. Next, number 4. Ay, number 3 pa di ay, sorry. Number 3. Let's have the square root of x, integrand of the square root of x over 1 plus x dx. Alright, how are we going to solve this one? So, simply, u is equal to x, u squared equals x. So, 2u du is equal to dx. Alright, so let's transform that's u, 2u du all over 1 plus x. So that's 1 plus u squared. Okay, so that's 2u squared du over 1 plus u squared. So we are now going to use again the long division method for this equation, or synthetic division. It's up to you, no? So labas muna natin si 2. So erase, erase, erase. Okay, so u squared divided by 1 plus u squared. So again, this is 1. So, kaya siya u squared niya plus 1 niya minus. So, cancel, mabili negative 1. Oh, tama na. So, that would be 2 integral of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Okay, so therefore we will now have as 2, then this is du minus 2 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Okay, so this is 2u minus 2. Notice this is an arctan. No? So arctan u plus c. Okay, so therefore that would be 2 times u minus arctan u plus c. Oops, sorry. Uy. Okay, and then change it back to x. Our u is the square root of x. Therefore, this is your final answer. All right, for you to please do exercise for rationalizing substitution. Answer number 4, the square root of t all over 2 plus the fourth root of t, and from 0 to 1, definite integral. So 3, the fourth root of x, all over 2 square root of x plus 5 cube root of x dx. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for listening. Have a very nice day.